Hi, so what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to talk about Riot and the potential that I see on the chart that the price could fall to $9. So welcome everyone to the channel. You guys can already see that I've already pretty much predicted that all the way back to like the December 27, 2024. But the price action really haven't garnered us that price action. Like, we haven't really seen the market dip. We haven't seen the market in Riot go lower. Maybe it's about to pop now. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. So before I get started, welcome everyone to the channel. Make sure you guys hit the like, share, and subscribe for more of my videos and my content. Now look at this. Okay, I'm gonna keep it real. You all can see in Riot the price holding this pocket of buying. Look at how many days those buyers have shown us, hey, I don't want to let the market fall below this pocket. I'm like, all right, cool, no problem. We'll wait. The sellers were able to continually, even though buyers were holding the line on this buy pocket, those sellers like, hey, I know you all are trying to hold this pocket of buying, but I got more stock to sell. And price in Riot continues to go lower. Okay, you see that, right? Now let's look at Riot on the 2 then. 8 hours 54 minutes left. This market is definitely maintaining its stability. It's maintaining the strength. This could pose a negative aspect for our prediction of looking for Riot to go down. I see that. I want you all to see that. Okay. The longer that we see Riot hold that pocket of buying, the less likely we won't see price go to $9 to the next pocket. I'm just giving you all the heads up now. All right, here it is on the 3. Look at Riot on the 3. This is pretty good. That's a pretty good 6 days of trading right here. The prior 3 days, price came down. The next 3, it went right back up. But look at this though. What is snagging this market from going higher than these highs of these 3-day bars? You see that? What is stopping the market from cracking this area? Something is up. Something is not right. If you understand highs, lows, close, opens of price bars, it literally gives you that line that there's problems and issues. All right? Because even though I just told you these 6 days of trading were great, why is the market in Riot still going down from that line though? There's only one reason. It's because there's sellers selling the stock at that price. So every time the buyers bring price to that level, those sellers are like, I'm glad you guys are back. Here's some more stock that I want to sell. And that's what's going on. So until I see those buyers break that line, i.e. sell pocket, we need to anticipate that our price prediction is still valid for the most part. All right, here it is on the 4. Here is Riot on the 5. Here it is on the weekly chart. Now, I mean, I still see the market giving us strength though too. So even though we're seeing this stage of selling the market in Riot, I can only predict and think that Riot is still going to bounce off that pocket, because that's how formidable these buyers are. They don't want to let this stock go down. Maybe right there. Maybe right there. See that? So maybe the market is only being propped up for this day. And that is when these sellers will, or I would say the people who are wanting to sell, this has been their campaign. They've been selling the whole time in Riot just to get ahead of this wave of looking for Riot to go down off this earnings. Like, we have to think that everybody who participates in the market is not clueless, right? They're not clueless. These are intelligent, smart, Like, people grab academics to just make money for their firm. Okay? They just not just shooting darts at the wall and just trying to see which one hits the bullseye. No, they've done their research. So I'm here to tell you that whoever's been selling Riot in that circle that I got on the chart, that's how big their position was for them to sell. That's how long they needed to sell out of their position in Riot. This is how the game is played. When you see a market consolidating, that is what the market is doing. Someone is either accumulating or they are selling their position out. They're trying to clear out the books. They're trying to take their profit. I mean, when you come in and buy a stock, right? Just think of you having assets under management of billions of dollars. So let's say you bought $500 million worth of Riot Platform stock. You just cannot sell it all at one time. So you have to elevate and keep price at a certain level until you have fully distributed your position out. That is what happens when market consolidates. I'm just trying to show you all the play and how this game is really being played. Okay, so I'm not going to change my price prediction. I think that the market is waiting for that earnings release, and we'll just have to see if those buyers are still here. Okay, this is what I'm saying. Like, people would purposely buy a stock to keep it from going lower until they're finished selling out their position. Hope you guys caught that. So, like, I'm just going to leave it here. Okay. Yeah, definitely on the 5 weeks. That definitely looks weak. Not too weak, but it's being seen. Okay. So that's it. I am done. We're going to keep this line here on our chart. I think we're just going to create a pocket of buying. I mean, a selling, matter of fact. So let's go ahead and do that. So you can pretty much see where the sellers are at. Okay, so we'll make that up. Let's get rid of that line. All right, so cool. Yeah, I'm looking at this on the 330, and I'm still seeing those sellers in this market. Is on one Riot. Here it is on the 5. All right, so that's it right there, y'all. I'm done. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit, and as always, trade different.